AWeber and Mailblaze are email marketing platforms that help you create, manage, and send email campaigns to your subscribers. Let's break down their features, pricing, and some user experience insights to help you decide which is better for you. AWeber offers drag-and-drop email builder, landing page creation, marketing automation, advanced segmentation, analytics, and integrations with various CRM and marketing tools. Mailblaze makes it really easy to create, send, and track emails to as many people as you need to. You can manage subscriber lists, create and send campaigns, and track your responses. AWeber offers a free plan for up to 500 subscribers with limited features. Also, Mailblaze offers a free trial with limited features and subscriber limits. AWeber's interface is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and use even for beginners. It provides excellent customer support and resources for users. Mailblaze also offers a user-friendly interface with intuitive tools for creating and managing email campaigns. Customer support is available, although it may vary depending on the plan. Personally, I like AWeber since it's been around a long time, works smoothly and rarely experiences in technical issues or glitches, and also offers a great free plan. AWeber might be more suitable for larger businesses with its extensive features and scalability. Mailblaze could be ideal for small to medium-sized businesses due to its affordability and ease of use. If you're on a tight budget, Mailblaze's lower starting price might be more appealing. However, consider the features you need and whether AWeber's higher-tier plans offer better value for your investment. Ultimately, the best choice between AWeber and Mailblaze depends on your specific requirements, budget, and preferences. It's advisable to take advantage of free trials of both platforms to see which one aligns better with your goals. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try both AWeber and Mailblaze for free.